Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitson, and today we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin chart, doing a very quick TA on this and show where we could be going with regards to the kind of Bitcoin price just now. Obviously, we're in a downtrend just now. We're in a downtrend channel, actually. If we look at a kind of parallel channel and just draw that in very, very quickly, we can see very clearly we're in this downtrend channel just now. We have been since the 10th of November. So it looks like we could go down to around about the $47,000 area, and then maybe bounce back up and get up to the $53,000 area, but we've still got some downside if it breaks to the downside of this channel, or we could have some upside and it breaks to the upside of that channel as well. However, this is going to be dependent on the news that comes out on Friday and Tuesday this week as well. We've got the CPI data coming out tomorrow. This is going to be very important because this is going to talk about, or Jerome Powell is going to be talking about the rate of inflation, and if it's higher than expected, obviously this is going to kind of break to the downside, I would imagine, and that's what's going to happen. You can never tell, but I would imagine all markets are going to break to the downside, including the stock markets, and that's going to have a knock-on effect on the crypto markets. So I think we could break to the downside short term. I don't think long term. I think Bitcoin is extremely bullish long term. I just think that's a short term, as looking at the kind of macro kind of picture here as well. This is why CPI data is so important. But we're going to look at some support areas. If we take that off, and we'll do the support areas just as normal. And we'll see on the daily, we're going to put a resistance area there. This is going to do the traffic light. So we'll do resistance, we'll do the highs as well. Let's see if we can break through it, and we'll turn that green. And traffic light charts are obviously red, amber, green. And we'll do another line here. So what's the next area of major support for Bitcoin? We've obviously got major support round about the $40,000 area. We've got other support. We'll just make that green. Sorry, just make that red. So round about the $41,000 area, we're talking major support there. Another area of support, and we're talking 44, round about the $45,000 area. So we don't want to fall below that. So these are the two lines we're trying to avoid, the 45,000 and 40,000. Obviously, 49,000 as well. That's not a brilliant area to be just now, but we've got major support here. You can see here in the past, we've had major support, and it's been previous resistance as well. And we've also got a support area round about here as well, around about the $48,000 range. So if we go here, and we're going to put that as support as well. You can see that's been previous resistance there, resistance here in the past, so that's kind of turned support. So round about the $48,000 area as well. We don't want to fall below that, but obviously if we do, we're going to get caught on the 45,000. So hopefully if we fall below the 45,000, we're going to get caught on the 40,000 net there as well. So it's not looking too bad just now. The worst case scenario, we're looking at $40,000. And I don't think it's going to fall below that. I think $45,000, but it could fall down to $40,000 as well. So going back to the channel we're in just now, we really need to break out this channel to the upside to actually break out from here and hopefully get to all-time highs again. This could be a slow month. December could be a slow month. I thought this was really going to start to bring about the kind of all-time highs for Bitcoin and for Ethereum as well. But it's not a bad thing that this could just kind of go sideways or kind of lower and then kind of back up and lower and back up again and then break out. So it just depends what's going to happen tomorrow with the CPI data and what's going to happen with the Feds on Tuesday as well. So that's going to have a lot of impact on the markets. Even though we don't want to think about that, it does have a lot of impact. So we're going to have to wait and keep an eye on this. At the moment, it looks as if it's going to go down to about 48,000. If it breaks below that, we're looking at the $45,000 area. Hope it doesn't fall below that, but if we do, we can get caught or catch it on the $40,000 area as well. So I don't think it's that bad, the downside compared to the upside, but short term it looks bearish just now for Bitcoin and obviously the rest of the market. But we'll be doing other charts as well because there's a couple of altcoins that are looking good at the moment. Okay, that's it for now. Until next time, namaste. Take care. Bye now.